Hi to all of you watch enthusiasts around the globe. Here's another unboxing. This is the watch I received from Mazdrop. I buy this through Mazdrop, and inside is well, it should be Orient Moon and Sun version 3. So it's the last iteration of this watch. There's the version 1 and 2. The differences are between 1 and 2 and 3 actually. It's quite subtle, and it is, let me see, how is this opening? There's too many things going on, but I will manage somehow. Okay, that should be, that's it. So this is, do we have anything else in the box now? That's it. So we have to, oh, we'll see how I can use that. This is my recipient, what I pay for it, and this is my watch. Yeah, it's definitely Orient, as you can see. And let's open it. Oh, it's a nice box. It's a metal. This is wooden, and the watch is trying to get out, but it is a nice box. Simple and nice. And ta-dun, ta-dun, ta-dun. Here is the watch. Okay, what we have in this is I guess manual. As you can see, it's nice silky stuff inside. Yeah, this is the manual. A mechanical watch, automatic hand winding mechanism, and obviously this is the manual. We will not need it now, I hope so. So here's the moon and the sun. The main difference between the version 2 and version 3, which I have now here, because I did want to buy version 3. Oh, this is nice clasp. Let me rid of the plastics. Yeah. Okay, do we have anything on the... I don't think so. Do we have anything here? No. Should be it. And this is... Let me see how we can get rid of this one. Oh, this is gonna be a little bit harder. I will do that later. No problem. So, okay, this is the version 3. Oh, differences. The major difference is between the movements. Inside of this one is the new movement from Orient, in-house movement. It's F6B24. This movement have hackable options and quick dead set, so it's a new movement. And as you can see, it's have open case back. And let me see. Oh, this is the badge, and it's not the sticker, it's the badge. And it's, well, not special engraved or anything, but it's nice looking movement. The weight, oscillating weight, is the have logo on it. I will try to close it. You can see now. And it's a nice watch. And as you can see, it says Orient Q date, or something. Genuine leather, so it's not extra quality, but it's look nice. It's croc style leather, and it's, let me see, yeah, here is the little bit more padded, and that's it. Here is no padding at all. So actually it's just like how I like it. I like this one just a little bit padded, and that's it, because it's then much more better. It's on the wrist. The case is rose gold, and the dial is actually the cream color. It's not white, it's a creamed color, and it's really nice. And this is, if I'm not wrong, 21,600 beats per hour, as you can see. And so the difference between version 2 and 3 is the movement inside, so heart is different, but also the position of day and 24 moon and sun, on which is get name, is different, because on the version 2 here is the moon and sun, and right here on the 2 o'clock was a little bit lower than 2 o'clock, but generally 2 o'clock was the day subdial. Now it's a little bit different, so day subdial is up here on the 10 o'clock position, and moon and sun is between 4 and 5. And a standard date window is down there on the between 8 and 7 and 8 position, but it's open more than usual, so you can actually see it much better. And also the difference is in dial. This one have guilloche pattern, much better guilloche pattern than version 2, and I think even numbers are a little bit different, I think, because on the version 2 was a little bit difference. Anyway, this is version 3, and I preferred third version just because of movement, because it's better movement. So it's not screwable crown, it's just regular crown. Right now I'm winding the movement, and it's really nice feeling under the finger. I just can't say anything else. It's a nice feeling. And okay, let me see. I always first go on the setting time, and as you can see, it's a hackable second hand. I always check where is the position of the watch or the time, because I don't like to change date when it's between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. and I think that is very important, because that's how you can just destroy very easily your movement. And then everybody asks, oh, how is that happened? Well, it's very simple. So now we are on 10 a.m., which is the best way how to do it. And now we're gonna just let me, yeah, that was, as you can see, it's moving really nice. And today is 1st of March, so hopefully I'm doing everything through really small screen on camera, so excuse me if I do anything wrong. And that's it about it's very simple, very nice. Okay, that's it. So case, as I said before, it's 316L stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. The size of the case should be 42.5 millimeters, and we will just check that right now, and it's exactly that much. So it's nice. Between lugs should be 22 millimeters, and it is. Between lugs, in this is, I think it's, yeah, it's, well, let's say 40. Okay, here is the middle, here's another middle. I will say 48 millimeters. 48 millimeters between the lugs. From lug to lug, between the lugs is 22 millimeters, and the thickness of the watch is 40, I will say 14 millimeters, 14.2, okay. But the glass is sapphire double domed. Actually, no, it's just domed. It's not double domed, it's just domed, domed sapphire glass. So it's a scratch resistance, very well, the best you can actually have in watches. So that's a fine. Here is the nice Orient logo. I like that logo. It's really nice. Not on all of the models, but on this, I call them classical models. They're really nice to see this logo. What else about the dial? As I said, dial is multi-leveled. It's with guilloche pattern, and it's Roman numbers. Nice. There is no loom on this hands or the numbers, so there is no loom. But this should be actually the dress watch, some kind of the dress watch. Well, I will wear it as a dress watch, and it's a nice one. It really looks nice, and this is my preferred color, because there is also white, black, blue. I think that's it, but somehow this green color is working best for me. The strap, as I say, it's not, well, it says genuine leather. We can discuss about that, but it's look nice. It's brown, some strange brown color actually, to be honest, but it's look nice with the watch, and I will probably change the strap. I think I have just one ostrich, nice ostrich strap for it. Specification, as I say, it's a 42.5 millimeter watch. It's a 14.2 millimeter thick, and it's a hackable movement, 21.600 beats per hour. So it's just right amount. It is in-house movement. It's a hackable, and 21,600 beats per hour just give enough movement. It's doesn't show much, but it's still, you can see it's mechanical, so it has something, and I like it actually. More than 28,000 beats per hour is still nice, but nothing wrong with 21.600 of the beats per hour. What else I can say about the watch, except that I really like it, and I do like it. I can't say anything else. It's a nice, not much decorated movement, but as you can see, it's look quite nice. Nice and special, but the v.03 is nice done. It have some pattern on it, and it's engraved. So it's nice in-house movement. The water resistance rating is 50 meters of this watch. So it's not much, but it is a dress watch, so you can't expect anymore. You can expect actually, but it is how it is. It's 50 meters, and that's it. So let me see, how about clasp? And if I'm not wrong, this should be, yeah, It's a nice, let me see, I will put it on the second hole, and I think that, oh yeah, it's a big one. Let me see, I think I can do it on the, even on the third. And this is not ordinary clasp, it have double deployment just for this part, so that is really nice. Okay, let me go on the, I'll go on the third. Let me try on the third. Maybe it's gonna be too much, but I would like to try it. Oh, it should be maybe even. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, it's a long strap. This is nice long strap. But I will change it on the other side because it's different for me. I don't like when it's came here. I like it more when it's going outside. But I will change it anyway, strap. So maybe I will just let it. So how is the feel on the hand, on the wrist? Actually, it's really nice. I must say it's nice. It's 42.5 millimeters, but it is look bigger. What you say? I think it's look even bigger. It's a nice dress watch. I like it. I really like this one. Later on, I will compare this one with one of my watches I have from earlier, and that is Filippo Loretti, from Filippo Loretti, and it's similar to this one. It's not the same, it's blue, this one is not blue, but I will compare them just to see what is the difference, because actually there should be for the same market buyer, and price is the similar, so everything is actually the similar except the movement. Of course the dial is different. Well, there is differences, but I will compare that two watches. That's gonna should be interesting. So yeah, it's a nice, really nice clasp. I don't know why they put it different. Usually this part is on the 12th and this part is on the 6th. I don't know why they do this, but I will change it. I like it more on the other side. Oh, so what is the, well, it's not light watch, but it's not heavy. I don't see it too much heavy, so let me see. I will hold this one in the, so it's actually 100 gram. I don't know if you see it, but it is 100 gram. Maybe if I do it like this, you see better. Anyway, it is 100 gram watch, so it's not heavy. And I think that's it. Or, oh, wait, I can do even better. Visually difference between version 2 and 3 are actually this. So, as you can see, this is the version 2 and this is the version 3. So, version 3, version 2. I do prefer version 3 because it have better movement, new one, hackable one. Version 2, well, some say it's much better, much nicer with this configuration of subdials, but I find this one it's maybe even better because you have logo here, day subdial here, 24-hour actually, moon and sun subdial here, and date window is on the same position. So, and watching the numbers, Roman numbers, I think they are same, and that's it. Actually, that's almost everything the same. So that is the visual difference between version 3 and version 2. Okay, that's it. This is the badge which came with the watch. I don't know why this one should, oh, if I go slowly, then it's focusing just nice. Oh, here's the model number. So if you're interested in this one, this is FAK0001Y0, and that's refer to this one, cream model. Okay, that's it. I think that's enough. I could talk about this watch even more, but I don't see need for that right now. This is a nice logo on the crown. I don't see need of talking more about this watch, because it is nice watch. It is a simple, well, relatively simple, because it's dials, it's 3 subdials, but they're really nice made, and the guilloche pattern is nice. Date window is big. I like that. I always like big date window because it's easy readable, and I like the color scheme. And it's a nice watch. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it, give me thumbs up, share it. If you didn't like it, you can share it too, but just to warn others you didn't like it, so just share it around. That's it. Thank you for now. Until next unboxing or follow up with one of my watches, and happy watch hunt. Thank you very much.